Good evening, we are Mimi and Eliza and we are EcoDrive. Did you know that every year in Australia there are 10 million native animals killed on our roads?
These statistics show an urgent problem. Wildlife vehicle collisions are rising, threatening native animals and endangering drivers. This is dire as it damages our unique Australian wildlife as well as impacting people, from vehicle damage, insurance costs and driver injuries.
We created EcoDrive to solve this problem.
Our product is to deploy motion sensor camera poles in wildlife hotspots along rural roads. These poles detect animal movement, capture data and trigger an alert. Then, with a feature of GPS mapping apps, an alert is sent to a driver when animals are detected ahead. Simultaneously, these camera poles collect wildlife movement data to track and count endangered species. While existing solutions like animal detection cameras and smart warning systems already exist, EcoDrive takes these ideas further. According to a Transport for New South Wales 2024 report, cameras and AI sensors are being trialled. We are adapting these technologies in a new way. Other designs that try and stop roadkill, such as virtual fencing, often focus on deterring the animal, not the driver. We believe that if we are the ones causing the problem, we should be taking action.
EcoDrive's products are scalable and have the potential to be a part of every drive. The implementation design consists of 3 parts. Firstly, an initial trial to refine our design and improve our physical product. Secondly, a scale-up test, trialling our product on a larger scale. This is where we begin collecting data from our cameras and would start our source of revenue, as this data will be supplied to conservation programs and to the GPS apps. Finally, our future goal is a nationwide rollout, supplying our product across the country, protecting animals everywhere. Let's talk money. Our revenue will be made from selling wildlife data collected by our cameras. GPS organisations can pay a monthly or annual fee to access our detection network, while conservation groups can access one-time data or subscribe to our AI animal tracking system to monitor and protect endangered species. Additionally, profit will be made from selling the camera post to local council. That money has been allocated to the upkeep of our products.
The creation of our business relies on strong partnerships and external funding. We have reached out to GPS mapping apps to explore how our technology could integrate into their existing systems if we were to launch commercially. To implement our poles, we have also reached out to Dubbo Regional Council and WIRES to discuss the importance of conservation and confirm the community's need for a solution like EcoDrive.
Our first major rollout will take place in Dubbo, which has the highest wildlife vehicle collision rates in Australia. With community interest and geographically an ideal testing location, starting here allows us to further understand the severity of wildlife vehicle collisions and by testing our product, helping a community.
We're not just designing another fence, we are building smarter roads. So the next time you're behind the wheel, think, what if one small alert could save a life? EcoDrive makes that possible. Thank you.